Howdy peeps, welcome back to the channel on a rather windy day. I do apologise, but we've kind of got to be outside to do this one. Yeah, bike stands. Somewhat underappreciated thing in the pantheon of bike stuffs. Very useful, as you can see, for holding your bike so you can work on it, clean it, do all the stuffs you want to do. Excuse me. And this one is not an expensive one by any stretch. It's the yaheetech off of Amazon. £35 I believe at the moment. I think I paid a little less. Let's be honest, most of them all come out the same factory in China. They're basically the same, might have different colour plastic bits, but you know, pretty much all going to be identical. Now this one is, start from the bottom, got a very wide base on it, probably getting on this, I'd say 5 foot, metre and a half nearly, something like that. Very sturdily built. It's all made out of, all the metal bits are steel, only plastic bits are the sort of joiny bits and the tray really, and and they're all pretty thick, chunky and sturdified. As I say, it's got a bit of a rock on because it's on my grass and that's not level, but it's definitely sturdy enough to hold a bike, because I've used it a good few times, so just making sure I'm not extending it in cat eggs. The actual clampy bit is spring loaded, doesn't damage your frame. This is a sort of semi-soft rubber or rubbery plastic, but if you've got how can I put it, a muy fragile bike, one that's made out of composites, shall we say, rather than a proper metal one, it's glued together and not welded, then you might want to be a little bit more careful. Maybe stick a bit of cloth, just a rag in there, protect things a bit more. But the only bit I'm not too huge a fan of, and I might not have it even attached correctly, is the handlebar holder. It stops the front wheel from swinging around all over the place and the end of the bars cracking you in the head. Yeah, I mean, even the instructions it came with were pretty simple to understand. It's only a few bits to put together. As I said, yes, it's all made out of steel, so it weighs about, it weighs a stone, so what's that, £14, about 6.5 kilo. Look in there, you can see big chunky nut and a big chunky spring loaded thing, and you can see how it actually holds on. Very useful parts tray, more useful for holding things like Allen keys or hex wrenches or pliers or whatever. You're not going to get a huge amount of bits in there, but you know, if the bits tray was much bigger, you wouldn't be able to get the bike on. If the tray was out here, you wouldn't be able to get to the back of the bike. So yeah, you don't really want to be taking it out, turning it around, putting it back in and all that stuff. But anyway, short, sweet, simple. Does exactly what it says on the tin. It's height adjustable from this clamp here. This clamp you can move, point the camera in the right place. It's sunny out, so I can't really see what I'm doing. Yeah, adjust this clamp to move this tube back and forth if you want things closer. The legs actually clamp as well, so when you put it away the legs clamp up, so it's not flopping about everywhere, and when you put it out they clamp down, so that again it's not going to randomly fold up on you for no real reason. But yeah, for 35 quid, is it going to be as good as a big name brand? Is it going to last you a lifetime? Maybe not. But let's be honest, for the homebrew just working on your own bike, so you've only got it on the stand once, maybe week, month, 2, 3 months, whatever, it's going to last for ages. And you know, for the price point, even if you have to replace it every 4 or 5 years or whatever, it's still going to work out cheaper than an expensive one. Because let's be honest, probably by the time this one wears out or falls apart, I'm probably going to be too old to ride a bike anyway. There we go. Let me know if you like bikey content. It's a bit of a departure on the channel recently. I am looking to get back into more of the historical paranormally stuff and fishy stuff. So it's just not a lot going on at the moment in that department. Not really doing much new fish wise. There's not really new breedies going on or anything like that, so there's not really a lot to talk about. And if I just do another all tanks update video, there's nothing's changed since the last one. There's a few new fish, but that's about it. As for the historically paranormally type stuff, if you're in the UK, you'll understand instantly. If you're not, you may not have realised that we've had one of the wettest winters, wettest springs and wettest summers on record so far. And yes, wettest for the UK, so yeah, that means really wet and horrible. So on my days off where I am able to actually go for a ride somewhere, most of the time it's been piddling down with rain, or I just, to be honest, wanted to get home again. Not really fancied stopping and filming something, or if I have fancied stopping and filming something, I've forgotten to get any notes together, or there's a bunch of people around, which makes life really awkward. But yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching and listening to my waffle. Do I recommend the yaheetech bike stand? That's just paint off my wall. Yes, I do. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It does the job admirably, especially for the price. So, yeah, I haven't got an affiliate link or anything, and I'm not sponsored, so I don't make any money or anything if you buy one or not. But yeah, a sensible bike stand at a sensible price for sensible people. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Enjoy your hobbies, whatever they are. Again, let me know down below if you've got anything, any questions, anything you'd like to see, blah 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 on the channel. Somewhere down there in the commenty section. While you're down there, click the like, subscribe. If you're feeling really super duper uber generous, you can click the membership button and become a Zach friend. 99p a month. I don't know what that is in dollars. Yeah, and then you'll find out who Zach is as well. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. Have fun. Enjoy your hobbies. Peace out. Rock on. Bye bye.